Hello everyone, welcome to our next video. In this video, we will see TDS and TCS under GST. So our objects and focus area, what is TDS, what is TCS, who is liable to deduct TDS and TCS, rate of TDS and TCS, threshold limit of TDS and TDS under GST. So what is TDS under GST? TDS is a tax which is deducted when the buyer of a goods or service, such as government department, make payment under business contract. Whenever there is some business contract, that time with the government departments, there is some business contract with the government department of the government. That time the TDS will be deducted whenever they buy a goods or service. What is TCS under GST? TCS is a tax which is collected by the electronic commerce operator. Whenever sellers sell their goods or service through the website, the payment for that supplier collected by the TCS is deducted by the electronic commerce operator. Who is liable to deduct TDS? Department or establishment of central or state government, local authority, government agency, or notified person by the government. And who is liable to deduct TCS? E-commerce operator is liable to deduct TCS. Rate under GST, TDS under rate of TDS under GST is 2%. For CGST and HGST is 1%, and for IGST is 2%. And rate of TCS under GST is 1%, CGST 0.5%, SGST 0.50%, and for IGST is 1%. Threshold limit for of a TDS under GST is 2.5 lakh. It is threshold limit is 2.5 lakh. If the contract exceeds 2.5 lakh or more than 2.5 lakh, at that time TDS will be deducted. And the due date of TDS is within 10 days of the next month. If someone deduct TDS in September month, then TDS will be filed in October month before 10 days of that month. And file in form of form GST 7. You have to file TDS on form GSTR 7. For example, if I give you some example, if taxable value of the contract is 2,15,000 and GST rate is 18%, so invoice value is 2,53,700. That time, the taxable value is not exceed than threshold limit, then we do not deduct TDS. Always remember that TDS will be deducted on taxable value, not on invoice value. There is threshold limit for TCS under GST. There is no threshold limit for TCS. And due date same, 10 days of the next month. And TCS will be filed in the form GSTR 8. Thank you, everyone. I hope you have understand what is TDS under GST, TCS under GST, liability, who is liable to deduct TDS and TCS under GST, rate of TDS and GST, and threshold limit of TDS and TCS under GST. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any question regarding that, you can connect with us info@skillanything.com or in this contact. Thank you.